Have you ever tried hanging shelves or mounting tiles only to find yourself constantly adjusting and rechecking to get things perfectly level? Or maybe you're working on a renovation or construction project where accurate alignment is critical and any slight mistake could mean costly errors. Laser levels are here to solve those problems, making alignment and leveling easy, fast, and precise. Today, I'll be going over 6 of the best laser levels available right now, with models that cover everything from home improvement and DIY to large-scale professional projects. Whether you're looking for simplicity or the most advanced features, I've got you covered. And don't worry, I've included links in the description so you can check out the details or purchase the one that best fits your needs. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Bosch GLL2-10, a simple and efficient cross-line laser level that's ideal for small to medium projects. This compact model projects 2 lines, one horizontal and one vertical, that intersect at a right angle, which is perfect for tasks like aligning picture frames, shelves, cabinets, and tiles. With a range of up to 33 feet, it's best suited for indoor work. What really stands out with the Bosch GLL2-10 is its self-leveling capability, which automatically adjusts any uneven surfaces up to 4 degrees off level. This feature ensures precision and saves you the hassle of manual adjustments, which can be a lifesaver on projects where you want things done quickly but don't want to compromise on accuracy. Its durable, compact design makes it easy to store, and because it's from Bosch, you know you're getting a quality product that will last. For those looking for a reliable and straightforward tool for around-the-house tasks or light renovation work, the Bosch GLL2-10 is a fantastic choice. Next up is the Hichika NLC21-G, a high-visibility green laser level that brings excellent performance at an affordable price point. Green laser lines are up to 4 times brighter than red lines, making them much easier to see in bright environments or even outside. This model has an impressive reach of up to 100 feet, which means it's useful for both indoor and outdoor projects, whether you're laying down tile in a sunlit room or marking out a garden layout. One of the best features of the Hichika is its manual tilt mode. This mode allows you to set the laser at specific angles, perfect for projects that require angled lines, like sloping ceilings or stair railings. Plus, the Hichika comes with a rechargeable battery, which means you don't need to worry about constantly changing out batteries or running out of power mid-project. This feature not only saves money, but is a great convenience when you're working on larger tasks. Overall, the Hichika NLC21-G is a smart choice if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful laser level with excellent visibility and features that make it versatile for a variety of tasks. Moving on to the Nikotech NK01G, this green laser level offers similar advantages in terms of brightness and visibility, but takes functionality a step further with its magnetic mount. This laser level reaches up to 100 feet as well and has a fast, precise self-leveling system that makes it ideal for construction or heavy renovation projects. The magnetic mount is incredibly useful for hands-free operation. Simply attach it to any metal surface like a beam or scaffold, and it will stay securely in place. This is a huge advantage when working on larger projects that require moving the laser level multiple times because you can reposition it easily without worrying about losing alignment. The Nikotech NK01G is also water and dust resistant, which means it can stand up to tougher conditions without a problem. If you need a durable, practical tool for a range of interior and exterior applications, the Nikotech NK01G is an excellent choice for both casual DIYers and those working in more demanding environments. Now let's talk about the Inventor laser level, a versatile model that's designed for easy adjustments and multiple uses. This model projects both horizontal and vertical lines, which makes it highly adaptable for various types of work. With a range of up to 50 feet, it's primarily meant for indoor tasks, but can work for some sheltered outdoor uses as well. The Inventor has a self-leveling feature that activates in seconds, so you can get started right away without the need for fine-tuning. One of the unique features of this model is the lock function, which lets you set the laser lines at fixed angles, perfect for tasks that require angled alignment, like putting up artwork in a stairwell or working on sloped surfaces. Additionally, the Inventor comes with a rotating base that makes it easy to adjust without moving the device, which is convenient when you need to make small tweaks to the position. This laser level is compact, affordable, and versatile, making it ideal for homeowners or DIY enthusiasts who need a flexible tool with advanced features. For more extensive or outdoor projects, the Huepar B03CG is an impressive option, offering both power and precision. This laser level projects green lines that reach up to 150 feet, and with a detector, it can extend its range to a massive 200 feet. Its standout feature is the 360-degree projection on 3 different planes, which allows you to cover an entire work area with ease. This feature is especially helpful on construction sites or large spaces where you need full coverage without having to reposition the level repeatedly. Another plus is its rugged construction, with a water and dust-resistant casing that ensures it can handle tough conditions without missing a beat. The Huepar B03CG also comes with a rechargeable battery, making it convenient for long workdays since you won't need to constantly switch out batteries. It's a great tool for professionals who need a high-performance laser level for large or complex projects, but it's also easy enough to use for more dedicated DIYers looking for premium performance. Finally, we come to the Bosch GLL-3-80CG, a top-of-the-line model that offers advanced features for complex and demanding tasks. This model projects 3 360-degree lines, giving you a full range of coverage for leveling in any direction, whether vertically, horizontally, or along the ceiling line. The Bosch GLL-3-80CG has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control it directly from your smartphone. An amazing advantage if you're working alone or in a situation where access to the laser might be limited. With a self-leveling system that's fast and highly accurate, this laser level is reliable and easy to use, even in challenging environments. The rugged design ensures that it can withstand rough handling on job sites, and the unit is dust and water resistant, so it's built to last. This laser level is a professional-grade tool ideal for contractors, builders, or anyone who regularly works on large or multifaceted projects. With Bosch's reputation for quality and durability, the GLL-380CG is an investment in performance and reliability. To sum up, each of these laser levels brings its own unique strengths to the table. For simpler projects or indoor use, the Bosch GLL-2-10 and the Inventor laser level offer straightforward solutions with reliable precision. If you need extra visibility and range for more versatile work indoors and outdoors, the Haichika NLC21G and the Nikitech NK01G are excellent choices that add convenience and adaptability at a reasonable price. And for those tackling the biggest projects, the Huepar B03CG and Bosch GLL-3-80CG provide top-tier functionality, durability, and all the features needed for professional use. Remember to check the description below for links to more information and to purchase the laser level that fits your needs. I hope this guide has helped you find the right tool for your next project. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all our latest reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.